been looking at maintaining the achievements, building on them to achieve even greater successes, and to ensure that the transformations that have been achieved can last into the future so that we will not go back to square one.
That was Program Coordinator for the Grenada Spotlight Initiative, Elaine Henry McQueen. She says efforts to create a sustainability plan and secure national budget support are crucial for the initiative's long-term impact. With external funding coming to an end on December 30th, McQueen anticipates that the national budget will provide funding for some of the key elements under the program going forward.
Announced earlier this year that gender responsive budgeting will be introduced officially by the state, and we have heard that the ministries have been given guidance on how to do gender responsive budgeting. The ministers responsible for finance and so on are expected to present in Parliament in this budget coming up how their ministry is going to take into account the needs of the people that they serve using the gender analysis and ensuring that the budgets as presented would be beneficial to both men and women.
She says the Ministry of Gender Affairs is working to complete a draft sustainability plan before the end of November.
The sustainability plan that we are working on will offer suggestions around how to maintain the achievements that have been reached, how to expand on them, and even achieve greater successes, building on the current set of achievements and successes of the Spotlight Initiative. Able to present the sustainability plan to the government and civil society partners and encouraging them to use the sustainability plan in their work going forward.
Among the achievements of the Grenada Spotlight Initiative is the introduction of Standard Operational Procedures, or SOPs, on the treatment of gender-based violence against women and girls. The SOPs guide the service delivery responses, facilitating a more coordinated approach to addressing gender-based violence between the health, social, justice, and police sectors. The initiative has also resulted in law and policy reform and the revision of some government policies. Senator Gloria Thomas highlighted some of the affected pieces of legislation during the last sitting of the Upper House of Parliament.
On the spotlight as well, the Maintenance Act for Children, Status of Children Bill, Marriage, Special License Amendment Regulations, Sexual Offense Reform, and we also had the victim rights legislation being addressed, family law, non-marital union reform, and the list goes on with the number of legislation and adjustments that we've been making over the last few months in the interest of better governance.
For GBN News, I'm Nisha Paul.